Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big down channel resistance, and I would like to show you this descending triangle as well and this breakout from the falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame. And we will also watch out this falling wedge pattern that has been broken out on the smaller time frame on the 4-hour time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me here as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here you can see we have a very strong resistance of this down channel. Bitcoin is not able to break out this resistance since after this fall of November 2021. Here we had a fake out for a while, but the price and after 1, 2, 3, and 4 weeks re-entered this down channel and even broke down this significant and key support of $28,600 as well. And you can see this was breaking as a very strong support since after December 2020. And we tested the support here, here, and here, and here as well. And finally, we broke it down. Now, there is a possible very big, huge double bottom formation at this support zone that is starting from $19,500 and goes to $17,500. And you can see previously this level has been breaking as a very strong support zone here back in December 2020. And before that, back in December 2017, it was breaking as a very strong resistance zone. Therefore, right now, it is again working as a very strong support zone for the price line. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down this support, then we can test the channel support. We can drop more down. Now, if we take a look at this daily time frame chart, then here you can see that Bitcoin has formed this descending triangle and also struggling to break out this red line and blue line, that is the EMA 10 and 21. Previously, when we had a bull cross between this EMA 10 and 21, like this blue line, EMA 10 crossed up the exponential moving average 21, then we had a nice rally but got rejected by this resistance of the this down trendline resistance of the descending triangle. And you can see we have already broken out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well, but we could not continue this move to the upside because it was again rejected by this same resistance. By the way, the target for this breakout from this smaller falling wedge pattern is still due, that is here, approximately at $24,500. Now, if we switch to the 4-hour time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. Almost 2 days ago, we broke it out, and we retested the previous resistance as a support, even support of the wedge as well, and we had a nice rally. However, the target for this falling wedge pattern is also due, that is approximately here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $20,000 and $4,000. And this was the recent swing low before breaking out this falling wedge that is at $18,850. And I was telling you that now it can work as a strong support. And on the daily time frame chart, we have this recent swing low here before breaking out this bigger wedge that was formed on the daily time frame chart that is at $18,500. And you can see so far the price line is not breaking down this support level. Now, if the price line breaks out this resistance of the descending triangle, as we are very close to the breakout or breakdown, you can see that the movement is now very squeezed now. Therefore, the target after the breakout, we can expect here. And this can be a very conservative target that will be approximately at $30,800. However, if we break it down, then our target to the downside can be very low from here. That is $7,269. But I am not expecting that we are going to hit this target because we have a very strong support of this long-term down channel. Yes, it is possible that we may test the support here at approximately $14,000. However, so far so good. We are forming a double bottom at this very strong support zone. And we have already broken out this bigger wedge and the smaller falling wedge pattern. And we are not breaking down even this support of $18,500 as well. And by the way, once Bitcoin will be able to break out this bigger down channel on the weekly time frame chart, then our target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $65,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.